Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. If you're newer to my channel, hello, I'm Brianna. Nice to meet you. How are ya? So today I filmed a brow video, just a quick everyday brow for me. This is my routine. This is what I've been doing. I only use 2 products to achieve these brows, and I feel like that is really all you need. There's no need to go out purchasing millions and millions of products just to get your brows looking flaky. It's unnecessary. I would suggest a brow pencil. You can achieve a very natural look with brow pencils. A powder as well. I haven't tried brow gels since Dip Brow, and I don't like Dip Brow because I feel like the look is a little too harsh for what I like right now. A concealer pot, just a nice everyday concealer. It doesn't have to be a luxury brand, it can be a drugstore brand, whatever it is. A cream concealer offers more control, in my opinion. You can also opt for a liquid concealer to sculpt under your brows, but I find that you have a little bit less control. So if you are, a little bit more confident in your abilities to do your eyebrows, use whatever you got. If you got a liquid, use it. These 3 things, just these 3 things, this is all you need. You don't need, a brow gel. If you feel like your eyebrows just like blow all over the place in the wind, fine, get a brow gel, but honestly, it's not necessary. I don't think it's very necessary, but whatever. My eyebrows are fairly thin, so. Stay tuned to see how I achieve these brows. Also, please turn on your notification bell so that you guys are notified anytime I post a video, and I will see you guys in a minute. The product that I like to use is the Benefit Brow Pencil. It's called Precisely My Brow. I use the shade 4, so it's not quite black and it's not a super, super, super dark brown, but it looks natural enough on my skin tone with my hair color that it works. This end of the brow pencil is a spoolie, and this end has a retractable pencil. With a retractable pencil, you don't have to worry about sharpening your product. A spoolie is important because the first step that you want to take is the brushing your brows up. You never want to start doing your brows without brushing your brows in the position that you want them to be in once they're filled in. So for me, I like to brush the front of my brow all the way up, and then when I get midway, I'll brush it in the direction that it grows in. I'm going to take the pencil side and I'm going to outline the shape of my brow. I like to follow the natural shape that I already have. As you can see, the front of my brow is lighter and it gradually gets darker towards the tail of my eyebrow. That way I don't have any sharp lines at the front of my brow. The goal is to keep your eyebrows as natural as possible. I'm gonna take the spoolie side and I'm going to brush all of the product through my brows. Now once you're done brushing the product through, you might see some spots where you see some sparseness, and you can go back in and fill it in. So right here, I want a little bit more color. And I'm gonna brush that out again. So now I have both eyebrows filled in. You can stop at this step if you want to, but to me it just looks a little too messy, and I like a more cleaner look on my brows. So I'm gonna clean up the bottom of my brow. What I've been using lately is a cream concealer, and this one is from NARS. It's called the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is what the inside of the product looks like. And I use a flat brush. This brush is by NYX. You can find this brush anywhere that sells NYX products. Ulta, beauty supply stores, they should have this brush, and it's a number 14. This brush is very flat, and it helps to create a very solid, precise line underneath your eyebrows, and it gives you a lot of control. So I'm gonna take my brush now, and I'm just gonna you don't wanna pick up too much product now, lightly. I'm gonna go inside my concealer. I like to just apply just a little bit of concealer at the tip of the brush. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna start about right here, and I'm gonna trace this concealer all the way under my brow. Now that I have the majority of my brow filled in, now I'm gonna just tidy up the front. I'm gonna take a little bit of this brow product and I'm gonna clean up the tip of the tail. Now you can use any beauty sponge that you have and just clean up and blend out that concealer that you have at the bottom. I'm gonna take my spoolie side of my brush once again, and I'm gonna brush my brow hairs upward. And I use my finger to blend out the top of my eyebrow. I'm gonna go into the front of my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna feather out that concealer right in the front of the brow. See how they look real far apart? Take your spoolie again, and it still has leftover product on it, and just brush the front of your eyebrows out. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I just set it with translucent powder, just so it's not moving all around, looking crazy. I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder in Deep. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Fleeky brows, here we come. Fleeky brows, here we come. Fleeky brows, here we come. You fleeky. Yeah, you fleeky.